AI can actually make business fun again. Now, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of grunt work and admin and all those things that you hate about business or that you don't love about business, then AI is going to be your friend. It's not here to replace you, but it's here to let you decide where you spend your time. Now, there's 3 levels that business owners advance through. Now, the first level is speed. This is where you can get AI to do task-based things. So basically admin tasks that you can now do faster and better than you could before. Now, this is great because you might be saving 10 or 15 minutes per task and they add up pretty quickly to get some extra time in your calendar. It's not unheard of to get 5 or 10 hours back in your calendar quite quickly. Now, what you do with those hours is what moves the needle the most. The trap is slipping back into admin task-based doing work just because you've got that extra time. You want to avoid that and you want to elevate yourself to level 2 where you are doing more thinking. So if you can put those 10 hours to work and do more of that thinking, advising, consulting, coaching work that your clients pay for and that you enjoy, then you're going to be doing much higher value work and it's going to be more energizing and more profitable. So that's really the first phase of getting from admin stuff to the advisory part of the business. And then the third level is to have AI help with leverage. So here you are going from the deciding, the thinking, all the way up to you leading the team, running the business, but letting AI handle all the systems. So it's not just about you and your own personal advice that you give clients. It's about your team and providing the AI systems and tools so that your team can be doing better work. So there's no extra headcount. You're not letting anybody go. What you are doing is you are having a business that grows and scales and operates so much better because AI is handling a lot of that drop-off for everybody, not just you. All right. So the 3 levels. Level one, you're doing it for speed. You get some time back in your calendar. You move to level 2. You use that time for more thinking and you have AI as a thinking partner so that you can make better decisions and give better advice. And then if you own the business as well, then you can use that time to focus on the leverage side of things and lead your team so that you're directing as opposed to doing and deciding. So they're the 3 levels. AI won't replace you, but it does allow you to decide where you spend your time.